What's up, Technobe here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. So, how exactly do you repair broken items in New World? Well, of course, it's not too important with new items, especially at lower levels, but at higher levels you'll need to repair them. Press Tab to bring up your menu here and locate an item that's been damaged. Note that it can be equipped currently. As you can see, R and left click will repair an item or tool. So if I hold R, you'll see repair, and I'll click on a tool to repair it. Then press E or click confirm and your tool will then be repaired. However, if you're not able to repair something, that means that you're missing items to repair with. All you need to do is salvage armor and other equipment by holding S and then clicking on other equipment to salvage it. This way, you'll pick up repair parts and currency as well. Confirming will let you collect those, stack them up, of course lowering your weight and raising your ability to repair things in the future because you'll have more available. You can see your repair parts at the bottom down here. I currently have 32 and 972 coin. Nice and simple to use. Repair parts cannot be traded, sold, or purchased to receive more salvage weapon and armor items you no longer need. But anyways, that's about it for this quick guide. Thank you for watching. My name's been Technobe here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!